TV!
Hello friends, today we will be learning about birds. There are 10,000 species of birds. Birds do not have teeth. All birds have feathers. A group of birds is called a flock. All birds lay eggs. Now let's see different kind of birds. This is a parrot. It can mimic sounds, words, and even human actions. Parrots have 4 toes on each foot, 2 pointing forward and 2 pointing backwards. Parrots can live up to 80 years. This is a robin. Robin eggs are light blue. Most robins only live up to 6 years. Bald eagle. Bald eagles make huge nests. Bald eagles are persistent. Their eyesight is 8 times better than humans. Flamingo. Flamingos like to stand on one foot. Flamingos make their nest from mud. A group of flamingos together is called a flamboyance. Owl. Some hunt during the day while others hunt during the night. They have very powerful claws to help them catch and kill prey. The smallest owl in the world is the elf owl at 12.5 ounces or 40 grams. Dove. They are the most common birds in the world. They live for around 10 to 12 years. Very young doves are called squabs. Blue jay. One of blue jays' favorite foods is acorn. They rub ants on their feathers. Ants have formic acids in their bodies that repels parasites. Blue jay flies slowly. Turkey. They can fly for a short distance, like 100 yards. A boy turkey is called a tom, and a girl turkey is called a hen. Vulture. Vultures have wide, strong wings. Vultures eat as much as they can at one meal. They mostly eat dead animals. Peacock. A group of peacocks is called a party. Did you know female peacocks are actually peahens, not peacocks? Babies are pea chicks. Ostrich. They are the largest bird. Ostriches have very small brain. They are native to Africa. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers like to peck holes in trees to find insects. They have very long tongue. They are made to cling to trees. A group of woodpeckers is called a descent. Falcon. Falcons eat meat. Their eyes can see about 2.6 times that of a normal human. This is a crane. They lay 2 eggs at a time. Cranes live about 20 to 25 years. They usually build their nests in marshy areas. They are highly social. Swan. Swans can be grumpy, especially when they're protecting their eggs or babies. Swan eggs can take up to 42 days to hatch. A female swan can lay between 3 and 9 eggs. Swans live everywhere but Africa and Antarctica. Guinea fowl. Guinea fowls are native to Africa. They are poultry animals. Guinea fowls are active early in the morning and late in the afternoon. Emu. Emus are native to Australia. They are the second largest bird. They have 2 sets of eyelids, one to blink with and one to keep dust out. Osprey. Osprey are also known as river hawk. They mostly eat fish. Osprey can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Magpie. They are omnivores, which means they feed on plants and animals. They are intelligent birds. They live between 25 to 30 years. Raven. Ravens have wedge-shaped tails, while crows have fan-shaped tails. A group of ravens can be called bonzar, constable, and rant of ravens. Shoebill. They are called shoebills because their beaks are shaped like shoes. They mainly eat fish. They reach maturity at 3 to 4 years old. Bee hummingbird. It is the smallest bird. It has the size of a honeybee. The bee hummingbird's favorite flower is Charles. They are native to Cuba. I hope you enjoy learning about birds. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.